What would you do if you had $1 million cash?
Donate half to charity and donate the rest to people who don't have money or clothes.
So half to charity
Yeah.
and half to people who don't have money and clothes.
Well, I'd save a little bit of money for me, but
To do what with?
like buy food for myself, maybe my kids.
You have kids? How old are they?
No, I buy food for my kids and my wife and me.
What's your wife's name?
Really?
Oh, that's a pretty name. How did you meet, really?
I don't have kids or
don't
a
have-
wife.
So you were lying about the wife.
What?
You were lying when you told me you had a wife?
Well, you asked me a question that I... What?
You lied.
Really?
Oh, are you calling for your wife?
No.
Well, you just said really.
You're a funny guy.